This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE Board New Delhi located in Vasai, Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra, India. Myself Shoma Banerjee. This session is for Junior KG, subject English, topic circle the correct letter. Children, this is worksheet page number 377. In this worksheet, we will learn circle the correct letter from each box. Now first I will explain what you have to do. Find M. Here which letter is written? M, capital M. So from this box you have to find out this capital M. See, here it is. The first one is done for you. Now the second box, can you tell me which letter is given? Capital T. So is this capital T? No. This is capital T? No. Is this capital T? No. Is this capital T? Yes. So we will circle this capital T. Next is capital U. Is this capital U? No. Is this capital U? Yes. So we will circle capital U. Whatever letter is given, you have to find that particular letter from this box. Next is, can you tell me which letter is this? Yes, small m. Where is small m? Here it is. So this is also done for you. Next is find small t. Is this small t? No. Is this small t? No. Is this small t? Yes. So we will circle small t. Now next is, which letter is this, children? Yes, small u. Is this small u? No. Is this small u? No. Is this small u? Yes. So we will circle small u. Now turn the page. This page number is 378. Now let's see which alphabet is given. The first one, find cursive A. So you have to find cursive A. Here it is. So the first one is done for you. Now next is find cursive G. So let's find out, is this cursive G? No. Is this cursive G? No. Is this cursive G? No. Is this cursive G? Yes. So we will circle. Next is find cursive F. Is this cursive F? Yes. So we will circle. Next is cursive T. Is this cursive T? No. Is this cursive T? Yes. So we will circle cursive T. Next, cursive S. Is this cursive S? No. 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 Is this cursive S? Yes. So we will circle cursive S. Next is, which alphabet is this? Yes, it is cursive Q. So let's find out. Is this cursive Q? No. Is this cursive Q? Yes. So we will circle. So children, hope you all have understood. So complete this in your worksheet and then do practice in your English notebook, and happy learning.